Hello and welcome back to the Bearded Hobby Homestead, where I'll be trying to do something that I actually can do. Seeing as the previous video was me failing, watch me succeed. Now this thing has been growing for quite a while, trimming every now and then, and well, it's just how I do it. So I used to use this product called Bartman. It's the beard oil, a little strong and rebellious and wild, what they call it. It's the biker version. Don't know if it's focus. Anyway, so this is finished. So I'm going to be doing my own little mix here. And after the mix, I'm going to throw it in. But before I can put it in, I see that there is quite a bit of a overgrowth, and it's getting a bit wild. So I'm going to show you what I do there as well, just because I know how to do that at least. So opening up this little bottle. A little spout there, put that to the side. I'm using a little bit of eucalyptus oil just because it smells nice, and by a little bit I mean a couple of drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's that. Then we have some Johnson's baby oil because it's good, and that I tend to use a little bit more of, not really counting, just a good squeeze. My wife found this Mendy oil, am I saying that right? It's an intense conditioning and moisture for head and scalp. It's part of my head, and my scalp has moved down clearly. So it's a little Indian kind of red oil. I'm getting from behind the camera, so that's probably it. I'm going to just put a little generous squeeze of that in there as well. And yeah, I'm putting my face funny, sorry. So that goes in there, and then the final little addition to my wonder concoction here will be, this is not tequila or vodka, this is just a shot glass filled with
coconut oil.
Coconut oil. I just forgot that for a second. The little vegan coconut oil thing going on there. I'm going to put as much in as I can manage. Now I know coconut oil hardens up at room temperature, so I'm guessing when I mix this and give it a little shake, the oil should combine and prohibit that from blocking up and too much. So that goes on, and then shake. Alright, now step number the second. When it comes to overgrowth, I've got two little beard options here. This one is mine and mine alone because I like the way it scratches. Also, back itch sorts it out. Good to have. This one is smaller, fine teeth, and the finest teeth you can ever imagine. It kind of pulls your beard out sometimes, but it works. So, before
it's a lice comb.
It's a lice comb.
For the people who doesn't know, that's how you get lice out of kids' hair.
Well, it's a dad comb now.
Yeah, our daughter doesn't have a problem with lice, so he took over the comb.
For one, we've got crazy dogs in the room.
What are you doing?
They're chasing each other. Anyway, so this one is just to get the basic general idea going. This one goes in and gets that direction. And when I've got oil in, I just got the weirdest face from behind the camera. If I said something weird, feel free to laugh. And the smallest one goes in when I've got the oil in my beard, because this in a dry beard, it's ouch. Alright, so now I don't like a razor. It takes time and water and stuff. I've got a little system here. By the way, this is the hair station where my wife and daughter do their hair and makeup and everything. And I've got one little corner with my beautifuls. Anyway, so I have to bend down quite a lot because my wife is only 5'5", and I'm I'm just over 6'1", and my daughter is 7, so not 7 foot. She's just age 7, and she doesn't reach much. So I have to bend over. All right.
Oh, boo-hoo.
Boo-hoo.
Tall people problems.
All right. So now, in order to keep this line here, it's a bit of a stretch, but I'm just going to go ahead and use no head on the clippers. I'm using a Wall Home Pro Basic. I've been using it for quite a while, and this thing works. I think tomorrow I'm going to tackle this part of the beard as well. Alright, so I'm going to quickly do it and just check what I do. Alright, so that's that line done. I don't grow a full beard all the way up to here, so I just cut it out, make it look neat. And then the back here, I just go down. And follow the line to the other side. Alright, I'll do the other side in a minute. I've got the basics down and there's light from that side only. That side is darkness. So this side, yeah. Anyway, that being done, remove the ring because you don't want
Slippery, slimy goof.
Yeah. Yes, my ring actually comes off in oil situations, so it might just fly everywhere.
If you hit that thing through a window, we're gonna have a problem.
Alright, so back to the beard oil that we just manufactured. If I look into the light, and there's no solids. It seems like the coconut oil is still liquid. Get that out.
Crazy dogs in the background.
Yes. So what I do normally is I take about 3 or 4 drops in my hand and just get my hands oily first, because otherwise my hands just soak up the oil and then nothing gets to the beard. Then, 1 little dropper full, and down and up, rubbing all the oil inside. Now, I saw on another channel, don't remember where, I saw the coolest way of actually brushing your beard for a decent stance, whatever, making your beard look decent. Alright, first of all, start in the middle, going out, all the way up, other side same thing. It looks weird, but it actually works. Alright, then step number 2, the finer, not finest, finer, and go straight down. From here, straight out. Also, this helps to distribute the oil through the hair. And then lastly, the finest one, where you just get everything nice and looking fantastic. I just hooked onto my earring there. That hurt. Alright, and now, seeing as I'm done, I can see this part is a bit taller or longer than this part. I'll have to go into someone who is not me or my wife to cut my beard.
Unfortunately, everything is still closed.
Yes, it is very much closed.
No barber shops, no salons, nothing.
Alright, so now if I turn this way, you can see a nice and finished profile, and then this side is still all overgrown, bushy and shrubbery. So that is basically me showing you a quick getting up a quick what I do with this beard, kind of situational awareness monstrosity. So if you have any tips for me on beard growth, not hair growth obviously, and anything that you want to know, hear, speak about, anything beard related, I'm going to start maybe weekly beard info situation. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I did this better than the grinder. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.